friends, this is Tina Zink, Serene Stamper, independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Nova Scotia, Canada, with a really quick card to share with you today. It's really easy, but for those who are brand new to stamping, this is one of those cards that always brings a wow. And proof in the pudding, I just had a presentation at a local event this past week with a whole bunch of wonderful women who have never seen stamping, didn't know what it was, so it was brand new to them. So a simple card has the power to wow, and this one did. So I want to share it with you. Now, part of what made this card so wonderful is this incredible Lasting Lily stamp set. The images in this set are beyond gorgeous. This is a celebration stamp set, which means you can earn this for free with a qualifying order until the end of March 2019. So let me just show you what I did during my presentation. So my presentation was about 10 minutes long, and I introduced these wonderful women to Stampin' Up!, shared what it was, and invited them to my monthly card classes. When I did my demonstration, I wanted to keep it very quick, very easy. So what I did is I actually just stamped on Whisper White cardstock, and that was my card base. But for this video, I'm going to show you the stepped up version. But the stamping is identical. So obviously this is stained a little bit. That is just fine. So I'm just inking this image up really well with my Melon Mambo ink pad. And this piece of Whisper White measures 3 3/4 by 5. Wowzers, look at that. All the shading, everything is done with that one image. Now I'm going in with my smaller flower, and I'm just slanting it off a tiny bit. So beautiful. Now it's time to add some leaves. I'm using my Old Olive, my favorite green I think of all time. And this one goes on the big calla lily. This one goes on the smaller one. So nice. Next, I'm taking the sentiment from the same stamp set, inking it up with my black memento, and stamping it right on top of the image. And gorgeous. So this is the card that I actually demonstrated with, just a plain card, stamps, ink, and paper. But then I also showed them how you can step this up a notch. So taking this piece that I've just stamped, I already had my Melon Mambo card base with my powder pink layer, and then I simply glued it on and showed them how adding our cardstock can really pull in all those colors that of course coordinate. But something I want to show you that I didn't want to take the time to do because my presentation was so short, but something that I've been doing because I've been making a bunch of these cards. You see this image in the stamp set here? Oh my gosh, this image, if you loved gorgeous grunge and timeless textures, you're gonna go crazy over this stamp. Wait till you see what it does. Okay, so I've got my powder pink. Got my stamp on the block, and all I'm gonna do is, actually, let's move this over here. I'm just stamping right around the edge, and it looks like it's sponged. It is the coolest image, you guys. I love it. Oh, missed a bit. Look at that. It looks like it's been sponged. How cool. So now I'm just putting that onto my card. And there you go. Such a beautiful quick card. So I've been stamping this exact same layout for cards to send out to those who have been joining my Serene Stampers community and taking advantage of our awesome starter kit. And the only difference I've done is I've added our Statement of the Heart stamp right on top of the image, and then pulling in some of that powder pink in the heart. And that's been the card that I've been making and sending. So it's a simple card, but again, you can't underestimate simple. Beautiful card. This is truly a sensational stamp set, you guys. And of course, once you change the colors, and you can do so much with these flower images. And of course, you can add whatever sentiment you like. So I hope you enjoyed this very fast, very easy card project today. And definitely get your hands on this stamp set while it's available until the end of March. Thank you for watching. I appreciate you. Happy stamping!